Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's something that confuses a lot of diesel Ram owners. Why does my check engine light come on right after filling up with diesel or DEF? A lot of times the timing makes it seem like something major just failed, but often it's related to fuel quality, DEF quality, or the emission system reacting to what was just added. One possibility is poor quality fuel or contaminated DEF. Modern diesel engines rely on a lot of sensors to monitor emissions, and if the system detects something outside the normal range, like DEF concentration or exhaust readings, it can trigger a check engine light. Another really simple thing to check is if the fuel cap or DEF cap area, if the cap wasn't tightened properly or something got spilled around the filler neck, it can sometimes cause sensor warnings or evaporative system codes. After fueling, it's also worth making sure you don't accidentally mix anything up, like DEF going into the diesel tank or vice versa. That's rare, but it's something to double check if the warning shows up immediately. Now, when people see the check engine light, they often want to clear the codes right away. But in most cases, it's better to scan the code first and see what the truck is actually reporting. Clearing the code without diagnosing it can sometimes hide the real issue. As for when to stop driving, if the truck goes into reduced power mode, shows DEF system warnings, or starts counting down in miles until D rate, that's when you want to get it looked at quickly. But if the truck runs normally and it's just a light, the best step is reading the code and see what triggered it. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.